what's up? How's it going? I don't have an actual intro yet. So, this is my first time actually like recording and talking on the camera. So, I'm gonna have a really hard time looking at the actual camera. Not the side view. It's gonna be a trip. One heck of a trip. I had the bright idea to make stickers. Of course, at 10 at night. And my dad just went to bed, so I have to be a little bit quiet. I made a little ice cream character last week. And I thought it'd be cool to make stickers of them. I'll like insert a photo like right here or something. But yeah, I'm gonna make stickers of them because I got laminate paper. This technically isn't laminate paper. This is clear covering. If this doesn't work, I have actual laminate sheets just as like backup. Do you want to be in the camera? Oh, it's a quick no. My dog is right there. Yeah, there he is. It's right there. About to make some stuff. Some sticker stuff to put on my new sketchbook. I guess let's get to it. Make some stickers. All that fun stuff. Go make some stickers. I need to stop talking. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna need is obviously laminate paper. I decided to go with the Scotch sheets. We're gonna also use sticker paper. I have the Silhouette Printable vinyl. I like that a lot better than the Cricut brand. Plus the Cricut is overpriced anyways. We're also gonna need a Cricut machine and a printer to print with. Go ahead and grab your sticker making buddy and let's get started. Hey, I'm back. So, it is now 10:55 the next day. I made an absolute mess last night. I stayed up till midnight making stickers. And yeah, I'm really tired now. This is what came out. I'll do like a little close-up of them. But yeah, I'm gonna make some more stickers. I printed out another sheet last night, but I didn't feel like finishing them. So we're gonna finish that, make that last sheet. Y'all are gonna get some better shots of me making more stickers. And then y'all get to see the absolute mess that I made. It's a little bit better now because I threw away all the trash, but I totally made a mess last night. Alright, let's get started. More stickers. was a lot harder than it should have been in terms of the recording side. My computer decided to just like stop working, and then the mic wouldn't work after that, so I had to update it. It still wouldn't work, and then obviously I found out how to get it back working. But yeah, I'm back. Got the stickers made. They turned out pretty well, but the laminate paper, the laminate that I put on it, it's having a little bit of trouble staying around some of the edges. This is the first time I've tried putting laminating paper, whatever you call it, on these, so it was a test anyways. That's kind of all I got. I keep on looking at myself, but yeah, that's all I got. I'll post these online at some point. Probably I'll open a shop so you guys can buy them. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I don't care. Just if you made it this far, awesome. Definitely a little bit of a different video for me, so thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. I need to figure out where to put these now.